Boris, kids, come over here. I have a surprise for you.
What is it? Bomb.
Today is the 4th of July, and we are going to see the fireworks. And Boris, if you somehow behave, I'll get you a ramen noodles. But if not, you'll be so grounded for life and I will seriously divorce with you. Forever. Get it?
Okay, sweetie. I'll behave right there.
That's what I want to hear. Now everyone, let's get into the car.
I can't wait to see the fireworks to start.
Me either. This is going to be so awesome.
Yeah, we all agree with you, Rosie.
Well, I don't want to see these stupid and retarded fireworks. I want to go home and watch them on TV.
Boris, cut it out. You are staying here with us and that's final.
Fuck no. You are not keeping me here, you stupid big asses.
How dare you call us stupid big asses? If one more word comes out of your mouth, you'll be so grounded for life and I will seriously divorce with you.
Hey sweetie, can I use the bath?
Yes. But be quick. The fireworks are about to start.
I can't believe that Boris fell for that. But anyways, I'm going to ruin the 4th of July fireworks by scaring them. Mwahahahahahahahahaha. But I'll need someone's help. Who can I call? Aha. I got it. Little Bill, Ken, Arthur, D.W. and Stephanie can help me ruin the 4th of July fireworks. I will call them right now.
Whoa, someone is calling me. Who is this?
Hello. Is this Little Bill speaking?
Yes. It's me, Little Bill. Hello, Boris. What's up?
Well, my wife, my siblings and I went to the park to see the 4th of July fireworks. And I'm calling you to help me ruin the 4th of July fireworks by scaring them with a creepy mask. Can you please bring Ken, Arthur, D.W. and Stephanie to help me ruin the 4th of July fireworks?
Okay. I'll bring Ken, Stephanie, Arthur and DW to help you ruin the 4th of July fireworks. And I will tell Ken to scare them with his scary mask. Thanks for telling me.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
We're finally here.
I'm so glad you came here. Now let's go ruin the 4th of July fireworks.
Attention everyone. Get ready. Because the fireworks will start in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take that, stupid big fat asses. In your faces. Ha 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 ha.
What's some troublemakers? What the fuck is wrong with all of you? How dare you ruin the 4th of July fireworks by scaring everyone and cut? How dare you scare everyone with your stupid scary mask? That's funny face to us. That's it. Boris. Let's go home right now. And when you get home, you'll be so grounded and I'm going to divorce you forever. And as for you troublemakers, I'm calling all your parents. Go home right now, you fools without mind.
Boris, I can't
so grounded, 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 grounded for life. And that means you are not divorced with me forever. Get out from the house and never come back, you mean man.
Little fucking Bill? How fucking dare you sneak out the house and help Boris and the troublemakers to ruin the 4th of July fireworks? That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded 4 5 6 7 2 8 5 4 8 8 3 4 6 9 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 years.
And for your punishment, your dad will give you a concussion.
Ouch. That hurts.
We don't care. Now I'm going to send you to the WGBH and BND of Doom logos for the second time.
Holy crap. This will be absolutely scary. Ha 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 ha. That's super hyper scary.
I don't give a shit!
Now go to your room right now and never ever come out.
Arthur and DW, we can't believe you both ruined the 4th of July with Boris and the troublemakers.
That's it. You two are super extremely grounded 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 until T-Bone Animate reaches 100k subscribers. Go to your rooms right now.
Stephanie. How dare you sneak out the house and help Boris and the troublemakers to ruin the 4th of July fireworks? That's it.
You are grounded, 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 grounded 4 5 6 7 2 8 5 4 8 8 3 4 6 9 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 years.
And for this, I'm going to kill you once and for all. This is what she gets for ruining the 4th of July. That's what I killed her for good.
Kid fucking idiot. How dare you ruin the 4th of July with Boris and the troublemakers? That's it.
You were so grounded 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 for the rest of your life.
And for your assault, Blair from Sunny Day will beat you up. Blair, beat that spoiling brat.
That hurt so much.
I don't give a shit!
And last, I'm going to send you to the WGBH Boston and BND of Doom logos for 30th time.
Oh no. This will be absolutely super ultra hyper extremely scary than last time.
What? That's fucking silly. What? I don't give a shit!
Now get your butt up to your crap in retarded room right now and never ever come out until you
Die.
What? I'm fucking made too stupid, Dad.